turn on. Let's see what happens. Oh, never not ran into a problem. Driver IRQL not equal to or less. It's gotta be lodge options and no. Wrong button. Pushed bloody F9 instead of F8. This is event URC. So control R event MVWR dot MSC. System settings. Corrupted driver, faulty driver attempted to access invalid kernel memory causing the crash. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be episode 3 now that we're on of the Let's Play IT Specialist Simulator. So, it'll be interesting to see what happens this week, because it really does bamboozle me at times. Some of the weird and wonderful quests and things that you get. Preparing your environment. There we go. Play. Right. Junior IT Specialist there. Right, here we go. Load. See what we've got today, folks. Did you know tasks with an SLA longer than the current day don't need to be completed right away? You won't receive a penalty for skipping them, but completing them can grant a much better rewards. Right, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we're into our job. Right, what we got? What's our tasks that we've got map? We do have some tasks, don't we? Persistent low brightness. Turn off screen timeout. My screen brightness is really low, even though my monitor's set to max. Right, let's see if we can try and do this one here. Menu. There's this one. Office 104. No. Map. Where's Office 104? Office. Noah. Gregory. Emma. David. Ava. So Noah's the one right at the back then. Right, let's see. Let's see if we can try and find this then. Right, open. Now, I'm sure we'd done most of this before and we couldn't find anything for use computer. Turn it on. Right. Power management, it should be. Power management should allow us to take and turn off the settings that we got. Personalization. There's nothing for personalization, privacy, update. Updates, system display, rating 100%. High task, check your mail. Control panel. Power options. Choose when to stop. See? Shutdown settings. Back to main view. See, that's all greyed out, so I can't actually change that. Power options. See, we have set it to high performance. So it shouldn't really go off anyway, but lighting 100%. User account, manage another account. It's no under user account, it'd be under power options, but we can't. choose when to turn off the screen, it should be there. But it's not there, so we can't really fix it, you know. It's just going to get left, that one. Right, anyway. Exit, right, here we go. Right, there we go. Go, right. Into the IT. It's what we got, high tasks today. What's a high task? Use computer. Turn on. Right, whoever's in the morning shift, the IT manager here, keeps turning off a server. I think the IT manager's needing sacked here if they're turning off servers every day of the night. Because I've said to you in your document that you read through at the start in the first episode that your machine acts as a domain server as well. So turning it off will cause things to stop working. So why the hell's the manager turning it off then? Server services have been successfully started. That's because I've powered it on. Right, what we got? Important. I received an email that there's a server failure in headquarters. VPN, wiki and remote access to devices are not working. Please, if possible, avoid creating unnecessary tickets regarding the above mentioned issues. Fair enough. New network. Just a reminder to check if the fixed line is already properly connected to the router. Right, we've got tasks. Once again, something has happened and the addressing has changed. I'm not sure if someone is joking around, but it needs fixed. Some employees might not have access to this printer. Set the correct addressing details in the task. Again? Below the computer crash, it went straight to a blue screen and now it won't start. Earlier it was acting kind of laggy. Could just be related to a driver or hardware virtualization thing. So in the BIOS, can you come and check? Right, fair enough, we can check that one. My computer won't boot, I'm getting kernel memory, right. Right, so let's go and just check these ones and then let's see what we've got here. Map. Tasks, right, critical. Computer crash, where's that? Office, Gregory Whelm. Tasks, map, where's Gregory? Gregory. First one, that'll do. Virtualization settings. Right. Wait, so what's this task saying actually? Task. Start computer in safe mode. Alright, fair enough. Oh no, right, stay. Right, I didn't want to do that. Sorry, apologies. E, right. Turn on. Let's see what happens. Oh, never not ran into a problem. Driver IRQL not equal to or less. Gotta be launch options and no. Wrong button. Pushed bloody F9 instead of F8. Right, turn on F8, here we go. Safe mode. Safe mode with Ethernet, we'll go with that. So I'll give you network access to log in. Regularly well. Wait, there we go. Right, what does it say now? Starting tasks. Check the event log. It's control R into entvwr.msc. Right, there we go. Right. App. Information. Critical. System account, fatal driver. Faulty driver crashed. hardware events. So it's a faulty driver. Settings. System critical. Faulty driver crash, right? So we just need to update the bloody driver then, which is fine. Can I get into device manager system? See, user account. The bin device manager normally. Let's see, application control panel terminal. It's not going to be any of them, I don't think. Repair the computer. Resume. Is there an app that we can do this for? Virus Plus. Don't know if this will do any good or anything, but we'll have a wee look. Terminal settings. See. Check for updates. Is there maybe going to be a driver update on the thing? Available updates, this may take a moment. That'd be an ideal situation because you can't get into the device manager. Because normally what you would do if there was a driver issue, folk, you would just go into, no, there's no updates, control panel, device manager, find out whatever. Either that or you would just go to the manufacturer's website and just run through a check and just update any outdated drivers. Repair the machine. Connected we open. Detected threats. Might as well just run this through. Oh, right, actually. How is it no system file checker? See, you would not. See, you could do the system file checker as well. In a normal situation. If you couldn't find a driver, you'll just check to see if there's a terminal. Browser. See, that's not going to be wiki storage. Forum. Bugs. Problems. Printer connection print. Homework help. Nothing prints remotely. Allow device to wait computer. Can't start my computer. Right. Let's see. Exit. We try this here. Power. Shut down. Try it this way. Let's have a wee look here. Boot menu. Number 2. F10. Like, is there anything in here that we can see? Advanced, what we got? What we see? Advanced platform configuration. Thunderbolt. Onboard devices, auto. Secure boot. we'll just set up default. Let's do that then. I wonder if it'll boot just really, or if it'll just crash again. There we go. That should be that one then. Tasks. There we go, it's connected. Work is done. There we go, printer. No person. Set to 0, 1 there. Printer has changed. Right, so that one was pretty simple. There we go, shut down. Exit. The printer is in here again because somebody keeps changing the printer. Network, TCP/IP. Where's the printer settings again? Task. What's happening? Addressing has changed. Set the correct addressing details are in the task. Addressing suffix to 0. 255, 255, 2. Is it 248? 248. Maybe. We see that. Can't even mind what the thing was again. I need to. Ah, it's no. 255. 255, 255, 2550, right? So it's an IT office one. I didn't even notice that there, right? So the IT office printer doesn't want to work and the IT manager can't fix it. I'm telling you folks, this wee IT manager needs sacked. Turning off servers, can't fix a printer. This wee IT manager sounds just like a pencil pusher. Right. One night, you all get there. 10.152, right. So, who's it saying? Tasks 10.252. 10.1 248. Is it 248? Maybe 2480. Just winging it here. This suffix set to 0. Let's see. 4. 255. Right. That picks it. Tasks. And the addressing has changed. Oh, medium. Wow. My computer won't boot. 104. Ava. Map. Office. Gregory. Ava. Right, well, right. I better go and do that one then. Come on. Wrong one. Where was Ava? Sitting. Well, then, oh, Ava's the one down there, right? Map. Right, right, this one's Ava's. Right, here we go. Power. Sorted. Well, it starts, so there's nothing wrong with it. Tasks. Repair the computer. File Explorer. There's nothing wrong with our computer. Oh, well, driver corrupted. Well, another wonderful blue screen here, folks. Wonderful. Right, let's try that again. F8. Let's go into safe mode. Wait. Safe mode with Ethernet. See what we get. Eva Garcia. Virus Plus. See if she's got any viruses on it first. You just never know. None. So let's know that then. Right, where we go? Terminal, control panel, system, updates. Is there any updates? See, a lot of the things are kind of locked out. That's the thing, you know. So you can't get. Let's see, what does the event viewer say? So control R. Event mvwr.msc. System settings. Corrupted driver, faulty driver attempted to access invalid kernel memory causing the crash. Faulty driver. See, we can't use the recover, we can't use the device manager to update any devices. So you're kind of like, what can we actually do here? What? Oh, it's not Windows, isn't it? How was that? See, this is what's changing it. Are these, it's just using like Linux commands or something? Because normally command prompt you'd type in dir for directory and it would show you list. See if this comes up list and it's Linux. No, wow. So what command is it then to? Hold on, I'm sure I've got a wee thing here. Exit, tablet, PDF, your configuration installations, correct. Password, command tutorial. Files corrupted, right, where we go at. Control R, drive, username, blah blah blah. F, backslash F shows all files. What? What's that for? F isn't what you would use generally in the normal day-to-day things. It would be CD or like dir for directory kind of thing. CD dot dot to go back into directory. CD backslash to go take you back to like the root of the C drive. Ping. Right, we know the ping, that's fine. Copy files. CD desktop or CD desktop, that's fine, so that's normal. F. So I don't know why the F one's kind of threw me. For files, that's kind of threw me off a wee bit here. Let's see. Just normally go CD backslash. CD dot dot. What was that one? Man. Hold on, exit. But what was that one again? Like things, so files or folders. F. Wow, right, 3, right, fair enough. Let's try it then, 3. Online tools, platforms, Android 9. Program files and my direct operation via plus. Add in data. Inbox, downloaded program files. See, it doesn't really. What else is it saying about this one here? Repair the computer. It's a faulty driver there, but it's not telling me where. Email. It's not going to let me log into that anyway. Computer data, apps. Lens. Project. CPU check. See, so that's no. README. What's this? Nothing in that. Lens, license, nope. Apps, nope. Video, nope. Program files. Drivers. I'm gonna install to see files. See, there's nothing really there. Nothing that's actively worthwhile looking at, if you know what I mean, but C drive, program files, download the program files, diagnostic, browser core. Patch app, add and install. See, because there's nothing in the drivers and that, you can't really go. Terminal application store. The system, there's no anything in the system. Recovery, you can't do a recovery on it, so that's no there. Shut down. I'll try to shut it down here, folks, and we'll just put it back up and see how it goes. I'm kind of hoping that it does just go back into it. Actually, let's see. F10. 10 what we'll do. It's always a good one. Load the setup defaults is always a good one. In this game anyway, loading the setup defaults is always a good one. Normally you would just run through like a thing and just update all the drivers on it, like your main drivers. It's general, or if the file explorer wasn't opening and staying open. Driver corrupted. But we can't fix it. The driver here, is there a way we can just put a new memory stick onto this or something? Let's see. Where's the USB pens? connect device. Hold on, wait. Is there no USB pens kicking about here? I'm sure there was a wee USB pens kicking about here somewhere from before. USB pen. Select. Downloads desktop. Image. Documents. There must be like an image or something like that here. Select image. C drive. Drivers. It's got to be one of these ones here. It's just got to be tutorials, isn't it? Types of computer viruses. Terminal usage. Event viewer. What's PowerShell? I don't need that one. Network card settings. Bugs, problems. It's critical homework. Programming language. Don't really need to use terminal. Right, hold on, let's see. PDF here. Yeah, apps, games. Let's go apps. Debug. Kinda thought there would have been something there that we could have used, not that way. Application store. No. Browser. Okay, go to your planet. It's not that one, right. Connect, might as well connect the VPN and then check the wiki again. Oh. I got this bloody thing. Back. Why is it no? Right, there we go. Authentication 37, wasn't it? Yes. 37. Connected. Right, there we go. There we go. Procedures. Connect. Bootable pen drive and system installation. See what it says here. Applications. Damage network. And printers. Downloads. Installation of system. Right, so we see three signature, folks. So, what is it saying here for this one? Tasks, what we got? Missed the deadline. See, that persistent one with brightness, I don't know whereabouts that should be. Make a bootable pen drive. Right, we know it's corrupted. Software. Alright, so. Pixel Team Red. Software. Oscorp. Bound Android. Pixelcraft. Download the ISO. Put that onto memory pen. Put that into the computers. Just reinstall it and see if it wants to work that way. Will we do that? I think we should try that. Pixel Team Red. Pixel Chip Life Bound. Minecraft Clicker. Pixel RPG Clicker. Finished, right. Select. Downloads. Open. Start. Oh, hamster, it's normal Rufus you'd use in real life, but I don't know if they can use the real life names. Probably not, to be fair, it'd be copyright things. Right, that's done. I didn't want to actually do that, I wanted to eject it. Right, so we can't eject it, we just need to go and unplug it. Does it say? No, properties not. Right, there we go. So we can't connect devices. Disconnect. Right, there we go. Right, so let's go to this wee one here. Is this the right one actually, Matt? Voltage driver. Right, here we go. Connect devices into USB 3. Connect, there we go. Use computer. Turn it on. We want to go to the boot menu. It's going to be number 3, I think, isn't it? Probably. Hey, time form English dollar. I'll just need to do then, install. 64-bit. There we go. Next. System repair. Let's do that then and just repair the files. This should technically work here then, folks. Verifying files. I don't know how long the verifying files will take here, actually. Normally, see, the other way to do this, right, most places use Windows, right? So, in Windows, you just go to command prompt under an admin. So, an admin command prompt, and just type in SFC, System File Checker. So, SFC space / then scan now. And just leave that running. And that will scan all the system files. It will repair any corrupted one, get some different ones, and then away you go. Reboot it, run it a couple of times, and that should be you. Right, so we see. Corrupted driver. So. Aye, that didn't work then. Try that again then. F2. Then what? We'll just wipe it this time. 3 seconds, folks. Right. We've got a custom advanced copy. Let's just unpack it and just reinstall it. There shouldn't be any driver issues if it's all complete. Because generally big businesses will use like Microsoft Software Center deploy their things, deploy their operating systems. It will just do it automatically. Kind of like this, you pick the options like the site name, the machine name, any pre-installed applications like Office or SAP or something like that, and then you'll just let it go, and it'll connect it to your domain, get the machine name, blah blah blah, install everything, and just set it ready on the desktop, ready to go. So generally that's how you do it, like the software center. Finishing that installation. Right. Because the software center would have obviously the deployment thing. You would just download driver packs for whatever devices. So if you were using like Dell laptops or something like that, your domain admin would download the driver packs for those devices. So like the Dell Latitude laptop drivers, the BIOS and everything, Dell desktops, HP ones, and they'd build it into the image. So when it's imaging the computer, it will scan the hardware of the computer and find the drivers and just install that driver pack that's been downloaded from the manufacturer. So that's generally how it would work. Learn something new every day, folks. Taking care of a few things. Hello. Right, see if this crashes again. It's no driver issue. What? How can it be a corrupted driver when it's been wiped? Tell me that. How can it be a corrupted driver when it's been wiped and reinstalled? And it's got the image drivers on it? It's not a bloody corrupted driver. Fake, man. Launch options. Repair computer. We just need to be safe mode with Ethernet, wouldn't it? What does this one say anyway? Tasks. My computer won't boot. I'm getting a blue screen with the error driver, but a kernel memory. Settings. Kernel memory error. Configuration for IT teams. No, it's not good. See, none of these things here would actually. See, because if we go, where's that control R again? VWR.MSC. So, critical. Bug check, critical. Fatal driver corrupted. A faulty driver attempted to access invalid kernel memory. Aye. Let's try going to the BIOS again. Might as well. Enter setup. Exit. Boot manager. F10. Right, here we go, advanced. Right, so we can't do any of that. Can't change any of that. CPU. Disabled. Can't change that. Trusted computing. USB configuration. Can I get that? Security, not installed, administrator password, boot. See, normally your like the setup defaults would change it because it's limited to what we can change here. This is a thing. Platform miscellaneous configuration. See, we can't change any of the. There we go. Native, there we go. We can change some like CPU configuration. Boot performance. Trusted computing. Let's just turn them in on then. 8 PM. Network. Right, so don't know if that's made any difference here at all, to be fair, folks. It does kind of leave you a bit blind at this at times. So you've not got full access to the you have administrative privileges, right? Well, see, so it's still doing it. There's still something there. Oh, this would bust you, this one. How can you repair the computer when you can't download anything? This is the thing that annoys me about this game, is that the normal things that you would do in a real world just to repair it would be there. You'd have access to like drivers and things, internet and everything else. See, browser. Know that. Settings. Browser. Actual team edge software. Bound. Seeing it's not the ISO, because the ISO is what we've already got. We've physically fully reinstalled the software. And it's still showing a corrupted drive somehow. Corrupted driver corrupted. It's got to be something. Right, let's have a wee search here. Simulator. What does it say? Pilots repair the computer. But you can't repair it, this is the thing. Faulty driver, attempted kernel access. And same way that persistent low brightness. Oh, actually. Where is that one for persistent low brightness? Let's have a map. Where is that? Noah. Gregory. Noah. I've got an idea for that one. I have an idea here that might work for Noah's one. Maybe we can try some here. Use computer. Power on. We want to go into the BIOS. How come some ones let you go into it and other ones don't? Shut down. I need it to come back on so we can get the... See, it's different every machine, which it shouldn't be either. Because in the other machine, in the BIOS, there was an extreme power setting thing, so if it was turned on, it would constantly run sleep after 1 minute, 2 minute, off, 5 minute power mode. Right. System. Was that always there? See if this has just fixed this one. Tasks. Oh my god, it has as well. Accept. Suffix. Aye. Set to well, aye, let's just shut this one down then. Power. Shut down. Exit. Is there anything else here that we're missing for this one? Come on. F8. Oh, yeah. Aye. Safe mode. F8. Safe mode. F8. It's not even got into safe mode anymore. I don't know. Maybe. Settings. Recovery. See, there's nothing in the recovery but storage. Temporary files, installed applications, temporary files, can't clear that one. System components, there's nothing in it. Activation. Software's obviously activated. Displays, nothing. Account connected. Application store. Let's just see if we can download the antivirus and see if this will do anything with it. You really are just fighting in the black with this one here, because it doesn't show you the normal things to fix it, just only there. Like, you can't go for like desktop downloads. See. See, because there's nothing there. Detected threats, see if there's anything here that'll show up. Because there should generally be something, there'll be something there that you can't get into the close. Right, no, there's nothing there. Apps. Coding labs, virus plus maps, dangle game, education, security. Aye. Calendar we can't get into. settings, browser. Bugs. Tutorials. Control panel more. Control. Network sharing center. Event viewer. Notepad. App data. It's not under there. Identify error. First to properties. Right, let's have a wee look in at event viewer what it says here. Event viewer. System critical 0800 C5 and 8002 C5 8002 00 is a classic code. 80 driver. Critical object. What does that one say? Driver corrupted exfil. Right to BIOS issues. Setting pending operations. Does it support VTD? Types of computer viruses. Right, so that one they're saying that it's something to do with the BIOS something, so let's just try and go back into the BIOS here and we'll try it. I'm not convinced to be fair, but well, we shall try it and see. Right, where we got? Advanced security boot. Right, USB frog LAN enabled. USB. Trusted computing, disable, it's not that one, Thunderbolt. System agent VTD, disabled. Memory remap, will turn that after. CPU, hyperthreading. Miscellaneous, native. That's fine. Exit save and changes. Right. We'll try this, we'll see if it boots up normally. Memory management. Wow, straight away, man. Oh, come up with it again. Comes up with it again, then there's something wrong. Aye, right, so there's something definitely wrong then. Memory management. Wonderful. Right, where we go? Platform. Maximum power saving. Onboard devices. Trusted computing. System agent. Memory remap. Right, so let's turn on that memory remap and see what it does. It crashes again. Yes, faulty hardware, corrupted page. Wow, man, you're just getting all the fucking errors in this one, aren't you? Jesus, man, how many errors can this one machine come up with? On BIOS things. Setting the BIOS back to the defaults should clear every single bloody error. Right, so if I go exit, load setup defaults, yes, and then exit, that should clear every error. Right, so that will clear that, and I can guarantee you again it will come up with that driver error. Watch this space here, folks. Driver corrupted. So the defaults don't work. You can't change the drivers. You change anything else and it breaks it. Aye, I think we've been done here, folks. Right. Right, so, system. System. Trusted compute. See, it's not end of day. Is that just end of day there? Wow, it did. But did they get a lot of the tasks finished there, folks? Because they're only gone as it should have been. Expired tasks 2, completed tasks 10 plus 2, 2, expired printer task 1. Aye, there we go. Survey. Right, I'm going to leave it at that one for this episode, folks. Because I'm going to go... What's the training? What is it? Training. Training mode. Complete training for specific elements of the game. Gain knowledge in specific technical fields. Disassemble devices down to the last screw. No time limits. Mode unavailable. And practice mode. Oh, so it's unavailable. Ability to explore the level, generate a selection of tasks. See, that would be quite good if you could get that, but you can't really get that now. Aye. There was a couple of tasks that we've seen in that there, folks, like the one for the memory one that we're just trying to fix here. The memory driver error. The things that it was getting you to try and do, like, you couldn't really do a lot of it. Like, if there was constant memory issues, you would normally look at swapping out the memory, but I didn't see a way of actually doing that in the level, if you know what I mean. So is this something that I need to unlock as we progress through? I don't know. Aye, and it's still very worrying that the IT manager keeps turning off your server that's there and can't fix a printer and everything as well, so that's someone else will pick up. Aye, this was quite a weird one, this episode, to be fair. So, it's definitely looking as if it's going to be something that's... Some of the missions are going to take a wee bit longer to do. But I think what I'll do is, on the next one, we'll see if we can try and apply for a different job as well, right? We'll change... What's the settings on it anyway? What have we got? Settings. Full screen, max, blah, blah, blah. So that's just graphics, that's fine. Gameplay, field of view, controls. Aye, that's fine. Mouse. Doesn't really say in audio. There's no real audio for the game anyway. Aye. So, this has been episode 3 of IT Specialist Simulator, folks. It's definitely a mixed bag of things here. As you're seeing, it's no generally how you would do it. It does give you that kind of wee bit underlying kind of knowledge for things, but there's a lot of things that you wouldn't really do in a normal situation. It's got the premise of it there, and this is what you should be doing it in this type of way, so it gives you, like, gets you thinking about it. But normally you would do it a completely different way, and those ways aren't available for you to do it, so you're kind of like, what way should we try and fix this here? Because the memory one was pointing towards BIOS issues, but normally if it was a BIOS something wrong with the BIOS, you would just clear the BIOS or download an updated version of the BIOS and flash that to it. But you can't do that here. That's the thing. It's no there. So, aye, wee bit of a mixed bag, this one, folks. By all means, though, let me know in the comments if you would do anything differently or if there's something else that we should try as well. And we'll certainly try it when we come back into it as well, folks. This has been episode 3 of the Let's Play IT Specialist Simulator. My name's Brian, Weirskynet. If you like this sort of thing and want to see more of it, drop the channel a wee like and subscribe, and check out some of the playlists that are surrounding the screen here as well, here, folks. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this. We shall tune back in next week for episode 4 as well, and we'll see what carnage we get up to here, and just watch some of the things that it'll be flinging at us as well. I really hope that there's different ways of kind of doing things. So I don't know if that's a case of, like, we need to lower the difficulty a wee bit so it'll provide more information and more help for things, and then up it from there. I don't know. We'll find out anyway, folks. Catch you all later.